Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Anthony. Welcome to the video. Hope you guys are all enjoying your day. Hope all of you fathers out there had a great Father's Day yesterday. Now, today, I have something crazy to make this video on. So for those of you who are in my Facebook group, you guys already know about this. If you guys want stuff, Instagram updates super quick, go ahead and join my Facebook group. For YouTube videos to come out, you know, it usually takes a few days, but in my Facebook group, it takes nothing to make a quick post. So make sure you join that if you haven't already to get really quick updates. But for those of you who don't know, Instagram has rolled out a update announcing for June 20th that you will be able to upload videos that are up to 60 minutes long. So prior to this, you were only able to upload videos to Instagram that were within 60 seconds. They had to be 60 seconds or less. Starting on June 20th, which is what the article says. This article comes from TechCrunch. If you want to go ahead and view that article, literally type in on Google TechCrunch Instagram update. It's all right there. There's a few different articles. I think there should be two. There should be one that actually announces the release date of this, and another that came out maybe like a week or so ago that's a little bit more vague. So there is an updated one. On top of this, Instagram is also allowing you to monetize your videos just like YouTube does. A clear shot at YouTube. They already took a shot at Snapchat, and look what happened. So this taking a shot at YouTube is going to be pretty freaking insane. Now, a lot of people are thinking that this really doesn't mean anything. Okay, so Instagram's allowing you to go ahead and upload videos. They're gonna put together a content plan that pays out creators similar to YouTube, and people really aren't thinking twice about it. But let me tell you, this is a lot more serious than it looks, okay? People like Zuckerberg, I mean, this guy owns Facebook, this guy owns Instagram. They're whales. They don't do anything without the mindset to win. Zuckerberg would not fire this shot at YouTube if he didn't think he could 100% overtake them. We already know Instagram wants to be a more video style platform because truly video and audio are the future. Pictures were cool, but video and audio are slowly but surely, or actually pretty quickly, taking over absolutely everything, and Instagram seems to be the platform that they want everything to happen on, okay? As you guys know, Facebook has definitely a older demographic. With Instagram having a younger demographic, this is the future. Where the younger people are is the future. It is the future of money. It is the future of advertising. It is where future customers are going to be. So short term, when this happens, this will be super, super healthy. And this is kind of my prediction here. If you guys are wondering, what do I think of all this? I think in the short term, it's going to be super healthy. I think YouTube is going to head and immediately try to combat this by making their user experience more helpful and more friendly. I think immediately you're going to start to go ahead and see YouTube updates. So it's going to be healthy. YouTube will give a better experience to try to combat what Instagram is doing and keep users on their platform. But long term, where things get messy is as long as Instagram continues to adopt younger people quicker than YouTube does, or more than YouTube does, then long term Instagram's going to win. If kids go to Instagram for video content a heck of a lot more than they go to YouTube for video content, then YouTube is going to go ahead and have a slow and steady death. Now, unless if YouTube makes their experience really much more better than Instagram, or it really remains king, then it'll remain king. And at the end of the day, Instagram won't be hurt because Instagram is still Instagram and people still go there for it. But if Instagram can actually pull this off, it could be the #1 dominant social media platform that literally has everything and has all the attention, and money is made where the attention is. And it seems as though Instagram wants all of the attention. I think Instagram putting a content pay plan behind this update is absolutely genius as well. As you guys know, a lot of people when starting to, you know, start up a vlog or something like that, they typically go to YouTube. Why? Because YouTube can actually allow them to make some money. And when you're first trying to make money online or through vlogging, I mean, it's super hard, right? Most of the time you need a ton of views to make money through that. But now when Instagram has that platform, that same exact platform, if they pay more, or even just by offering or matching what YouTube does, why wouldn't they go to Instagram? Content creators might go to Instagram and YouTube, or as one starts to become more dominant, they might go strictly for Instagram. If Instagram pays more, people are probably going to go strictly for Instagram. I can tell you, people who are serious and know their shit, they will immediately start taking their YouTube videos and then flipping them onto the Instagram platform. And people who don't have followings are really going to be kicking themselves in the ass that they didn't jump on Instagram the past 2-3 years. Remember when YouTube first came out in 2006? Imagine if you started your channel then. Imagine if on YouTube in 2006, when it first launched, you started your channel. If you've been growing it for over 10 years now, the amount of subscribers you would have, the view count you would have, the money you would have made. If Instagram does this successfully, joining Instagram now will be like getting it on YouTube back in 2006. For all of you guys in our Viral Venom program, you all know how excited I am for this. Right when this launches, the second it comes out, I will immediately start testing it. And for all of you guys in our Viral Venom program, I'll have you guys updated. There's going to be completely new videos in the course covering this because I think it is absolutely huge. I think this alone should be reason enough for you guys to all be starting up your own personal brands on Instagram, because again, it's like getting back in on YouTube in 2006. So you guys be on the lookout for those videos. Listen, for those of you guys who are kind of now seeing this update and seeing the power of Instagram and what is about to happen, I mean, it's pretty clear to see what is about to happen and what is about to happen to the future of social media. Instagram is going from a social media company to a media company where all the attention is going to be at. So for those of you guys who see how serious this is and now want to go ahead and take action, look, I will go ahead and leave our Viral Venom program in the description of this video so you can go ahead and get started right now today. Again, the second that this launches, I'll be going ahead and updating everything, testing it. Once all of our testing is back, it will be updated. I'm also going to be adding a section into Viral Venom for personal branding. We focused a lot on viral pages and going ahead and taking accounts, you know, from 0 to 100K and posts from 0 to 1 million impressions. But now with this update, personal brands are about to get really, really powerful. So I'll be adding all new videos on personal branding. So look, if you want to go ahead and you want to get started, I will leave the training linked below. No webinar, nothing like that. You guys can go ahead and just get started now. I thought Instagram was hot now, but after this update, I know Instagram is really going to be hot 6 months or a year from now. Listen, don't go ahead and start utilizing this once it's too late. 6 months, a year from now, it's going to be too late. Everybody's going to be on it, okay? Get started now. Go ahead, actually learn, invest into doing this stuff so that 6 months from now, you're ahead of the curve, you beat the edge, and you're now monetizing through Instagram and have your personal brand all set up when everybody else is scrambling, trying to figure out how to get it done. The best time to start something is now. If you guys listen to Grant Cardone, he always says, you know, you need to be smart with business decisions. The second you have an idea, implement it. You can get so much further ahead just by making a decision and then implementing it right away. Don't procrastinate. That is a business killer. So with all that said, guys, I am super, super excited for this update. If you are, make sure you give this video a like. Make sure you comment what you think of this update. Keep grinding, keep hustling. Until next time, I'll see you all on the next video. Now, shout out to the winner of the free consultation call. I'll throw your comment up right here. All you gotta do is go ahead and email me at support@viralvenom.com. I'll leave that email also in the description. Send me an email. Go ahead and let me know that you're the winner of the YouTube consulting call, and we'll go ahead and book you in. For those of you that don't know, I give away free 30-minute consulting calls every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you want to enter, all that you have to do is comment on my videos, okay? The more of my videos you comment on, the more the chance you have to win, because I pick a random person, and then I announce it on video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So make sure you also put on post notifications so that you don't miss the video, because if you miss your name being called, then you kind of miss out.